Alright, in this video we're going to cover a little bit about bobbin case maintenance. There's a way to keep your bobbin case clean so it lasts you longer. Because what normally happens is you'll get lint buildup underneath your tension arm, and your tension arm can get bent from that lint. It could bend it up, or if you're trying to compensate for the tension adjustment and you're tightening this set screw and you have lint under your arm, that's going to bend that arm as well. So you want to kind of keep this clean. I do it every 4 to 5 bobbin changes. I'll take my bobbin out. Magnets are strong. There we go. So I had a black bobbin in. So here is our bobbin case. I'll show you, kind of explain what I'm talking to you about here. So here's your tension arm. You have 2 set screws, one in the back, one towards the front. The larger one is the one you can adjust to apply the tension on this arm differently. You need to loosen it up or tighten it up for your bobbin tension. That's where you do that. It's this front one, the large one. Now what we want to do is actually take a business card, take it from the back end of it, insert that business card under that arm and swipe that arm out. Sometimes you get a little bit of lint buildup inside there, and when you do this and you swipe it, you'll see that lint come out. And that can affect your tension right there just on your bobbin. So if your bobbin was kind of loose and you swipe your card under here, you get some lint out, your bobbin tension will be tighter now just with that. Not even adjusting that set screw, just getting that lint out of there. That arm comes back down, that applies that tension onto that bobbin better. So every 3 to 4 bobbins, take a business card, swipe it. Keep that arm clean. Try not to bend it, but keep that lint buildup out of that area. And you can also you can take a lint brush, take it inside, clean it out, or if you have air compressor, you can blow these out really well as well, just to keep these in good shape. They are a consumable item, but you can maintain them well. They'll last you quite a while.